since I left you. The last time I saw you just fade away, and I get lost tracing my steps back. It costs nearly everything that I'm not ready to lose today. Everything I know, I'm letting go of Paris. You know I held on too much. I left you at the station. I put you in my bags. Oh, and now, darling, all that shit is behind us. You never have to wonder. You never have to ask. You never have to. Never have to. Drink up every last drop and shake off the feeling that you're watching me now. I should've just told the truth, but now, sweetheart, listen to the way I cannot forget a single day I spent rolling all around the room with you. It's just a fantasy taking over like a disease. Throw me out of this, I can't